I highly recommend you get a hold of this upsell, guys, because this is creating RSS feeds for the new Google sites. Now, the old classic Google sites, they provided widgets where you could create RSS feeds, but with the new Google sites, they took away those widgets, so there's no way to do RSS feeds. But we have found a way. We have actually gone and created them using our own servers, and you can see here, if I double click on one of these, if I just click on this one here, it's going to take you to the actual feed that we have created using our own technology to create RSS feeds. Okay, and we also create it in FeedBurner as well, which is a Google property, and from the FeedBurner we take that URL and we syndicate that URL and we basically ping it and we send it through RSS directories. That can help you to get found with other search engines as well, such as Yahoo and Bing, etc., and also different countries search engines like Yandex, etc. as well. So this can help you to get even more traffic, but it's kind of important for the SEO angle as well, because it helps us to get our content indexed faster just by doing that simple process. And all you have to do is, when you have got some published posts done, all you do is just checkbox all here, just over here, checkbox all, click on the send to, and click send to RSS Extreme. Okay, now this is a one-time cost. The price is increasing every 10 sales during launch. After launch is going to increase price quite significantly. I would advise you to grab this right now, because this is good value. This is a very unique tool. I'm not aware of any other tools that's able to go and create RSS feeds from the new Google sites. We've managed to do it, and we've done it in a way that can help you with your SEO to get more traffic as well. And it's really stupid simple to use. You only have to click a couple of buttons and you're done. Super simple stuff. Grab this while you can, guys. This is a good offer at a very good price. Thanks for watching.